Okay, go.
After this,
Popo,
we can
popo.
do some reward.
Yes. Okay, go.
The ruler. So I can do this people like this.
All right. Look, answer it properly. Okay. Go.
That.
Next. Number 9.
Which the following has a good smell? The soap.
Letter A, soap.
Is it an A?
Letter B, garbage.
But it's the soap.
Wait. I will ask. I will tell you. Letter A, soap. Letter B, garbage.
I think it's soap.
Okay.
Wait, what?
Why not this one? Because
it's only for the mosquitoes.
yes, and cockroaches, no?
But we can buy this only.
That's harmful for children.
Please.
Poisonous yan.
But no, but you do it while catching mosquitoes.
Yes, okay.
How do we
Ethan
do
cannot
this?
do that. Ethan cannot
You cannot
do that.
clap and crush it and up and
Tapakan?
apple.
Oh, andun na yung
You
pencil
have
mo.
to do this for
So that?
mosquitoes.
Yeah, so that's
So
no need to clap like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because they'll get away.
Yeah. Okay, go.
See?
So the answer is letter
So,
So, next. Read.
why is it that dog is here? A picture?
This is like a bubbles of the soup. Okay, go.
Look at the pictures below. Look at the pictures below. Look at the pictures below. Which object is soft to touch and feel? Not this and this.
Yeah.
All harmful.
Yeah.
This
Very
one
rough.
is
Rough to rough. And this is spiky. No?
but
Next.
But where's our pineapple?
Huh? We eat it, no? We eat already.
No, we didn't eat it
Okay.
because
Dada ate it, no?
you eat it.
Dada ate it.
What's inside it?
Ah, finish na.
What?
Finish na.
Mama,
I don't know. Okay, next. Number
you
11
do
na.
have to
Number 11 na. Go.
look at the pictures below. What
Which
products low sound? After this,
produces? Which
Produce-
object produces
loud sound. This
Yes. Next.
on my electric truck.
Later. Next. Hindi ka na.
What? Is it finished?
Not yet. Dali. Number
Hey,
12.
Mama.
Number 12 na muna. Oh,
Why
number
is
12.
it not done?
It's not yet first.
Ah.
Dali na so that you will have the reward na. Number 12. Go.
You do talk.
You have to read your own because they're in the school. You will read it on your own. The teacher will not read to you. Go.
Which is the correct password?
Phrase.
The picture
Phrase.
to use for the picture below.
Okay.
Why is it?
Wait. You have to read. Or you have to do
Why
it
is it
na.
not being done?
Okay.
Oh,
What is this?
which is the
Correct phrase.
phrase used to use for the picture below?
Letter A.
These are a balloon.
Letter B.
This is.
Letter C.
That is.
Okay, which one?
That
Letter C.
is a balloon.
Huh? Can you
This
see?
is a balloon.
Okay. Because he is holding it. He is holding it,
When
so it
it's
should
far,
be this is. If
It's
it's far,
blowing it.
so if it's far, that is. If it is many, these are. If it is many, these are. Okay, but this one is only one.
That is a ball.
Okay. Next.
Small lang. Last
Next.
one to.
Because this one, number 14.
Mama, last one
Really?
to.
Please, number 14.
What?
Which?
So, which of the following shows a happy face?
Next, number
Red
15.
is doing mad.
Mad is the one.
Mad, bad. It's the same. A
Yeah.
tic-tac-toe.
Yeah, okay. Next,
This-
number 15. Number 15
It's
na.
the show. This one.
Number 15 na po. Faster na so that we
See?
can finish it faster.
And
Dali
Shark.
na so that we can.
shark is with this.
Go.
See, it's
Which?
the same.
Yeah.
It's the same as this.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah, it's the same. Okay, next. Number 15.
Which of the following shows an happy face?
And
An angry face.
next. Number 16.
Which of the following shows a sad face? This.
Next. Which?
Of the following shows a scared face.
Right.
Last one to. Last one to, Mama.
This one pa. Oh, so that you can have the direction.
Mama.
Wait.
Tomorrow.
Identifying.
Tomorrow this.
Wait, we have to do it so
This.
that you can answer correctly.
This.
In the
Sa.
ulit.
Alin na maga.
Ayusin mo. Alin.
Alin sa maga. Sumusuod.
Ano po?
Sumusuod.
Sumo.
Sumu.
Nun.
Nun.
Sumusunod.
Sumusunod. Na. Lawang ay nasisunod. Sisi mula sa TPG. Alin ang hindi kasama dito? Ito hindi sama.
Eh, ano yan?
Ito,
Nagsisimula sa letter G din. Ito ay gulong. Ito ay gitara. Ito ay apoy. Alin dyan ang hindi nagsisimula sa letter G? Sabi, lahat daw ito nagsisimula sa letter G. Alin daw dito ang hindi nagsisimula sa letter G? Diba? Kasi ito ay gitara, ito ay gitara, ito ay gulong, ito ay apoy. Kasi ang tanong, ang mga sumusunod na larawan ay nagsisimula sa titik G. Alin ang hindi? O, di ba? Ganun.
Anywhere. Register for free, earn points, and unlock fun today. Available now on Google Play and the App Store.
Right. Akin na nga. Ethan. 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 Shh. Ethan. Hi. Smile na, Ethan. Smile. Ethan, smile. Smile.
Mama,
Po. Ano po yan?
because Kids Net is accepting birthday parties and other kids events. For more details, you may ask our friendly staff. Let's celebrate the fun only here at Kids Net. Thank you!
Thank you. Cheers. Cheers. Ay! Ano ba yan? Wow. Time you have your face. Ethan, face mask.